Lesson today, heat transfer. The heat transfer is the biggest object in environment and in engineering or in almost sciences. The heat transfer heat from hot surface to the cold surface. In order to transfer heat must be the hot base and transfer to the cold base. Vocabulary words. Adding the following words to your vocabulary section in the back of your science notebook. What is meaning of heat transfer? And what is meaning of radiation, convection and conduction? Okay, everything is made of molecules. When molecules gain energy, they move faster and create more heat. In this figure, refer to or explain the mechanism of heat transfer between a hot object and cold object. For example, the melting convert to evaporation, but the evaporation, in order to return to the first case, make condensation and freezing. In the other hand, salt convert to liquid and the liquid convert to gas. Okay, salt molecules move very slowly, but liquid molecules move faster, but gas molecules move very fast. In order to give the correct definition of heat transfer, is the transfer of thermal energy from the hotter object to cooler one until both objects are the same temperature. You cannot transfer cold or given someone cold. In this image show at the left side of this slide, show the three types of heat transfer, and each image consists of two sides, the hot sides and cold sides. Heat transfer by conduction, by convection and radiation. Okay, three ways to transfer within the atmosphere: radiation, conduction, convection. In this slide, show how transfer heat from sun to earth. What is the types to transfer heat from sun to earth by radiation? Okay, what is meaning of radiation? Radiation, the direct transfer of energy by infrared electromagnetic waves. For example, sun, fire, light, and so on. What create electromagnetic waves? Okay, this is pictures. This slide show how to transfer heat by these types of heat transfer. Also, in this slide show the higher energy shorter wavelength and lower energy longer wavelength. Next slide. Per share, what is the radiation and where does it come from? And parent B, what are the three different things that create electromagnetic radiation? Please read and read carefully the previous slides in order to select the correct answer from this per share. Okay, conduction, the direct transfer of heat from one substance to another substance that is touching. Okay, this is meaning of heat transfer by conduction. At this image shown at the bottom of this slide, give the description of how transfer heat by conduction. Also, this slide share or give the mechanism of heat transfer by conduction. Example of conduction by catch the ice ball and the heat transfer from the human hand to the ice ball. After period of time, the ball is melting because gain the more heat. Okay, also the picture parental using the picture on the right explain the conduction processes, and parental B explain how the picture on the left is conducting heat. Okay, convection, the heat transfer of heat by movement of fluid, liquid or gases. Okay, this is image refer to these types of heat transfer. Also this slide give the mechanism to water movement when rise the temperature and transfer heat by convection. Also this slide show the mechanism of heat transfer by convection. In this slide find three images in order to select the correct types of heat transfer. The first one is conduction and convection and radiation. Okay. Also this slide show the types of heat transfer in different situations: conduction, convection and radiation. Okay. Also this is a picture show the three types of heat transfer by conduction and convection and radiation. Okay, heating the troposphere, the radiation, conduction and convection work together to heat the troposphere. Okay, this slide also refer to the radiation, convection and conduction work together to heat the troposphere. Okay. This is a review at the end of lectures, okay, about the types of heat transfer. Okay, thank you.